To new video, that is science video, chapter 2, animal life. Animal life. In this chapter we have to read different types of animals. They live in different places. Students, you know there are many animals around us. Some animals live on land, some animals live in water, on trees and in air. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Animals that live in water, they are called aquatic animals. Animals that live both on land and in water are called amphibians. Animals that live on trees are called arboreal animals. While animals that spend most of the time in air, some animals spend most of the time in air are called aerial animals. Understood? Aerial animals live in air most of the time. The surroundings in which an animal lives, feeds and reproduces is called its habitat. Forest, mountains, hot areas mean desert area, polar regions and water bodies are different habitats of animals. Many animals found in different areas. Different animals have special features to survive in their habitat. We can learn about them by grouping them according to their specific features. Look at this picture. This picture shows habitats of animals. We live in environment. This is the environment. Aerial animal, arboreal animal, amphibians, terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, all types of animals found. Students, here topic breathing organs. Breathing is an important process for all living things. You know, we also breathe in oxygen. Breathing is an important process for all living things to stay alive. Animals breathe to take in oxygen and give out carbon dioxide like human beings. Different animals have different organs for breathing. Lungs. Look at here. This is the picture of lungs. Lungs inside a human body. Lungs in human body, this type. Lungs. Terrestrial animals such as cow, birds and lizards breathe through lungs. Amphibians also breathe through lungs. While on land, human beings also have lungs for breathing system. Now gills. Students, you know gills. Look at here. This is the picture of gills. Gills is found in fishes. Aquatic animals such as fish, crabs and ostrich breathe through gills. The baby frog or tadpole also breathes through gills in water. Baby frog. Aquatic animals breathe in oxygen dissolved in water, because already oxygen dissolved in water, that oxygen aquatic animals takes. When water passes through gills, many tiny blood vessels present in the gills absorb oxygen from the water, and water carry away carbon dioxide. A frog has 3 different organs for breathing system. A tadpole in water. When a tadpole in water breathes through gills, a frog in water breathes through moist skin, and a frog on land, when on land, breathes through moist skin with lungs, both. Next, spiracles. Insects such as cockroaches, grasshoppers have spiracles for breathing system. They breathe through their spiracles. Spiracles are tiny opening on the sides of insect's body. Now skin. By skin, animals which breathe through skin keep their skin moist. Through the skin, some animals breathe through their skin. The skin is supplied with the number of blood vessels. Though frog is an amphibian, it usually breathes through the moist skin. To keep the skin moist, a frog jumps into water frequently. Earthworms also breathe through moist skin. Earthworms. Now food habits. Different animals have different food habits. Animals need food for energy and growth. They directly or indirectly depend on plants for food. Now different types of animals. Herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, herbivores. You all know about carnivores animals which feed only on plants or plant products are called herbivores. Cows, horses, giraffes, goats, etc. are herbivores animals. Now carnivores, animals which eat flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Animals eat flesh of other animals are called carnivores. Animals such as lions, tigers, wolves are carnivores. Here picture given of carnivores animals, different types of frogs, eagle, snakes. Now next, omnivores, animals which eat both plants and other animals are called omnivores. They eat both plants and other animals. Their teeth are suitable to eat both kinds of food. For examples, bears, crow, mice, rats are omnivores. Insects such as mosquito have needle-like mouth parts, and through this sucking blood or plant juices. Their mouth parts are called proboscis.